Tshabangu Councillor caught pants down, the 6th of September 2025, vertical bar by a correspondent. The political storm surrounding self-styled Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC. Interim Secretary General, Senji's Tshabangu has deepened after one of his key loyalists, Bulawayo Ward 26 Councillor Mpumelelo Moyo, was convicted of bribery in a case that has thrown fresh scrutiny on the faction's credibility. Moyo, who has been a vocal supporter of Tshabangu's camp, was found guilty of soliciting a $20,000 bribe from Labanman Investments in exchange for facilitating approval of land earmarked for a proposed cement plant in Caudray Park. Bulawayo Provincial Magistrate Richard Ramabia ruled that overwhelming evidence directly linked the councillor to the offense and remanded him in custody to Monday for sentencing. Court documents revealed that Moyo persistently hounded company representative Tsitsi Nyathi, demanding payment to smoothen the deal. The councillor was eventually caught red-handed at Nyathi's home in a Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, ZVAITWA, sting operation, where he attempted to receive the illicit cash. The conviction has cast a harsh light on Tshabangu's faction, which has been dogged by allegations of corruption and manipulation since his dramatic rise in 2023. Once a little-known figure in Bulawayo's political structures, Tshabangu shocked the nation by recalling CCC MPs and councillors while styling himself as the party's interim secretary general. His actions were condemned as a ruling ZANU-PF-backed ploy to weaken the opposition, costing the CCC its grip on key councils and parliamentary leverage. Moyo's conviction is especially significant because of his role as chairperson of Bulawayo's Finance and Development Committee, a strategic position that gave Tshabangu's bloc an important foothold in city governance. Analysts argue that his downfall not only dents CCC's public credibility, but also exposes the murky alliances and questionable ethics sustaining Tshabangu's faction. The state, however, pushed for a strong message to be sent against corruption, maintaining that Moyo had played the central role in soliciting the bribe to push through the 5.6-hectare land deal, while Deputy Mayor Edwin Ndilovu, who had initially been jointly charged, was acquitted for lack of sufficient evidence. The court made clear that Moyo had been the primary actor in the illicit transaction. Magistrate Ramabia noted that corruption undermines public trust and warned that those entrusted with public office must not abuse their positions for personal gain. As Moyo awaits sentencing, the case has become a major embarrassment for Tshabangu's camp, raising renewed questions about whether its leadership is driven by reformist zeal or by opportunism and self-enrichment.